Many medical products are being manufactured with plasma fractionation. Dr. Edwin Cohn developed a process to separate proteins from human plasma. The proteins are separated through precipitation into 5 fractions by means of modifying pH, ethanol concentration, and temperature. For the mechanical separation process of the precipitant from the supernatant, depth filter systems are the established technology. The NOVOX CP is an enclosed filtration system with a vertical arrangement of the filter plates and cake frames. These are made of a polypropylene copolymer, which was specifically developed for the temperature ranges present in the plasma fractionation process. The design of the cake frames in the NOVOX CP enclosed filtration system ensures an even distribution of the filter cake and an easy removal thereof at the end of the filtration. The filter plates, with their sophisticated structure, ensure an optimal flow pattern of the filtered liquid to the outlet channels. Whether with or without the circumferential gasket at the outer edge of the plate, the filter package is tight during filtration, without any drip loss. Preparation of the NOVOX CP enclosed filtration system for filtration is easy. It involves the insertion of the PURIFIX filter sheets. The closing mechanism of the filter is a hydraulic system. The control unit can be located outside the clean room. Now, the filtration process starts. The suspension, consisting of the precipitate, the supernatant, and filter aid, is pumped into the filter. The PURIFIX filter sheets ensure the buildup of the filter cake and an optimal filtration result for every step of the process. Due to their availability, with various retention characteristics, leading to an effective, efficient, and therefore economic filtration. The precipitate is being captured by means of depth filtration, whereas the supernatant with its components can pass through the filter cake and sheet unobstructed. At the end of the filtration, the cake frames are filled with the filter cake, consisting of precipitate, which can be harvested for further processing. At this point, the NOVOX CP enclosed filtration system is open, and the filter cake is collected in the collection pan underneath the filter package. The filter sheets and eventual residues of the filter cake are being removed manually, in order to prepare the system for CIP cleaning. For CIP cleaning, the filter is closed without filter sheets installed. Afterwards, the system is ready for the next filtration. The NOVOX CP is an enclosed filtration system with many advantages and meets the high, well-defined quality requirements of the pharmaceutical industry in accordance with the respective regulations.